Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you all are good and safe at your homes. I am here today to teach you in this online class subject Computer Science, Class 3, Lesson 2, Unit 1, Computer Fundamental Devices, topic Monitor and its types. Today's topic Monitor and its types from page 6 of book. In today's online class, we move on to our today's lesson. First of all, we are going to discuss about monitor. Of course, you have seen and used the monitors many times. Here's a picture of monitor. You must have seen it many times. So, can you tell what a monitor is? You can think about the answer. You might have thought the answer. Now let's move on to the answer. A monitor is an output device which displays information in visual form using text and graphics. The portion of monitor that displays the information is called the screen. Like a television screen, a computer screen can show still or moving pictures. A monitor is the screen on your computer that you look at when you are on the computer. Monitor is also known as Visual Display Unit. Its short form is VDU. Now we are going to discuss about types of monitor, and today we will discuss about the two types of monitor. The first one is CRT and the other is LCD. First of all, we will discuss about CRT monitor. CRT monitors are commonly used until a few years ago, but now they are less used. The full form of CRT is cathode ray tube. The cathode ray tube CRT is a vacuum tube that contains one or more electron guns. Let's now know more about CRT monitor. It has large sealed glass screen. The screen coated with tiny dots of phosphor material, pixel or picture element, is single point in electronic image. Three dots, red, blue, and green, combine to make up each pixel. Now we are going to discuss about LCD monitor. LCD monitors are most commonly used monitors nowadays. Let's now know more about the LCD monitors. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. A liquid crystal display or LCD is a thin flat panel display device used for electronically displaying information such as text, images, and moving picture. LCD is used in computer monitors, televisions, instrument panels, gaming devices, etc. Polarization of lights is used here to display objects. Let's now know about the differences between CRT monitor and LCD monitor. Here are two different pictures of monitors in front of you. Of course, you can now identify which of the two is the CRT monitor and which is the LCD monitor. Let's discuss the differences. CRT monitor is less expensive, but LCD monitor more expensive. LCD monitors are more expensive. CRT monitor takes up more desk space. LCD doesn't take up much space. CRT uses more energy. LCD are more energy efficient. CRT is heavier and bulkier. LCD weighs much less. CRT monitor emits harmful radiation. LCD doesn't emit radiation. CRT is used only for PCs. LCD monitor also used for laptops, PDAs, cellular phones. Homework time. Answer the following questions. Here are some questions for you students. You have to answer these questions in your notebooks. Question number 1 is what is monitor? Question number 2, what are the two types of monitor? Question number 3, define CRT monitor. Question number 4, define LCD monitor. You have read the answers of these questions in your today's lecture. Thank you.